Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and good today. I'm Muhammad Saeed. I am very glad to see you in this video. Before I begin, I like to start with this quotation for Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, he said, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your hearts and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary." Steve Jobs. So I like to start with these quotations for Steve Jobs and to be strong with me. Yes, are you ready today? So let's go and have fun today. We have an interesting subject. Let's go to our GNS3 now. As you see here, yes, we have 3, 6, 7. We have 7 routers here. We have 1 and 4 in the middle, and 2, 5, 3, 7, and 6. They are branch routers, and all these routers, each router has loopback interface. Yes, loopback interface 0, loopback interface 0 in each router here, and all these routers and all these directly connected, including with loopback interface, they are in EIGRP Autonomous System 1. So my subject today, I'm going to talk about something EIGRP stub. We are going to speak about or to know about 5 things here, or 5 points: the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Each point here, it has a specific idea, and I hope it will be valuable for you and useful for everyone who wants to know about EIGRP stub. So in this video we are going to cover all these 5 points. So but before I started, you should know I did the pre-requested configurations. I added the IP addresses for each interface and also IP addresses of loopback interfaces. So let's take the first one. We have the first point. Look at this. But before I started, maybe we should make EIGRP network command. We have to enable router EIGRP. So we are going to first on EIGRP router 1. Here I want to advertise all networks, yes, into EIGRP, all networks. I don't want to exclude 1 or 2 networks. So the command, what I want to do here, what is that? I should not open here like this, console. Yes. So I want to do like this, sorry, close it. Yes, I want to make like this to open it, all of them, first shot. Yes, because I want all of them to configure, so just minimize them. Yes, start with router 1. Now what we have here, show IP protocol, just to make, we don't have anything. Show IP interface brief. Look at this, I want to advertise all these networks. So what I want to do here, I want to go to the router EIGRP 1 and make this command: network 0.0.0.0 255.255.255.255. That means I want to advertise all network here without any exceptions. So don't forget no auto summary here. So now exit. Just I want to make show run. I want to make this copy and paste to make it easy. Yes, like this. I want just to make like this. Yes, and copy like this. Yes, so go to the router 2. What is it? Here is it. Yes, so now conf and paste it like this. So what is that? No, let's go to 255. So you know, I want to just to make it here, make a notepad. I think it's better to add 255. So that's good, and I want to add here for quickly thing also conf. Yes, I want to make it easy at all. So copy. Now router 2 again, just to make it sure. Show IP protocol. Let me see what we have here. Yes, that's good. Show IP route. Do I see anything? Yes, I see, which is from router 1. That's good. So now just minimize this. I don't want it. So now to the router 3, and sorry, paste it like this. What's the hell? Let me just copy again like this. Yes, because here if you select it in your mouse just in PuTTY, it will make it a copy. So this is amazing thing. So we finished 3, go to the 4. Now like this. It's very easy. We don't want to waste our time just to did the simple thing. So I did this 4. So now go to the 5. Come on here. Yes, and paste it. Yes. So now go to the router 6. So now here. Yes. And we have the final one, 7th. Yes. So now, as you see here, I did all EIGRP configuration. So if I go to the router 7, for example, show IP route EIGRP, I should see all routers here. Look at this. I see loopback interface for router 1, router 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's good. And I see 192.168.4.5, .6.2, and .3. Yes, so that's good. If I did the ping to the 3.3.3.3, I can go there. And if I for router 2 here, 2.2.2.2, I can go there. So that's good. So now we did our EIGRP autonomous system 1. Now the first point here, look at this. I want router 3. Here is router 3. What is it? Here is it. This router 3. I want router 3 to receive EIGRP routes. Sorry, not routing. So receive EIGRP routes, but doesn't advertise 3.3.3 to any router. So I want just in the other meanings, I want to make router 3 just to receive EIGRP routes. Just receive only. I don't want to advertise. So what I want to going to do on router 3, just go to the router 3. Come on here. So now show IP interface brief. Look at this. What is that? Show IP interface brief. I don't want to advertise this router and also this. So I want just to make a receive EIGRP route. So I want from them to router 3 to receive all routing 2, 5, 1, 4, 6, and 7, but all routers here should not see the loopback interface of router 3. So here's I want to go to the router EIGRP 1 and make this command EIGRP stub. As you see, if I did the question mark here, I can see the many of things here. I want to yes to use it here. Look at this. I want just to make it receive only here. Look at this. I want just this receive only because I want to router 3 to receive just EIGRP routes. So here is receive only. Yes. Now I should have just answers here. Look at this. If I did this show IP route EIGRP, yes, I can see all routes here. Yes, but if you go to the router 7, now 3 here, it should disappear because it will not advertise. Show IP route EIGRP. Yes, look at this. I can't see 3, so that's good. If I make a ping, can I go there? Let me see. So I can't also reach to that loopback interface. So that's good. So now we did the first point. We made router 3 just to receive EIGRP routes. The second one, we want router 1 only receive and only advertise directly connected. So look at this. I want, here's router 1, just look at this, just only receive. But here's this, the first condition. The second one, I want also only advertised, but what advertised? Advertised just the directly connected. So here is my key. My key is to make it just to advertise directly connected. So how can I do this? So go to the router 1. It should receive all EIGRP routes and also advertised just the directly connected. Yes, just directly connected. So router 1, it will not advertise the loopback interface of router 7 to the 3 and 5 and 2, and also it will not advertise the loopback of router 6 to the 2, 5 and 3. Before that, just I want to go to the router 2 and show IP route EIGRP. I want just to show you here. I can see here, look at this, I can see 7 and also I can see 6. But after I did router 1 to make advertise just the directly connected, I should not see these routes. So go to the router 5. Also show IP route EIGRP. Also I can see 7 and 6. So also go to the router 3. Show IP route EIGRP. Also here I can see 6 and 7. So let's go to the router 1. Yes, COMP router EIGRP 1. So now we want to make EIGRP stub. Look at this and question mark. I want to make it make EIGRP stub connected. So advertised connected route, and at the same time it will receive. So if I did this connected, this means router 1 will receive EIGRP routes but advertise just the directly connected. So connected like this and hit enter like this. So now we are break the adjacencies and make it again. So that's good. Now go to the router 2, 5 and 3 and check the routing table. So go to the router 2. Come on here. As you see here, I can see 6 and 7 and 4. Now I should not see these 3 routes. So show IP EIGRP routes. So look at this. I can't see. So I can't see 5, 4, 6 and 7. And also I can see 5 and 3. So that's logic. Yes, because they are come from router 5. So I can see 5, 6, 7, 1 and 4. So just I can see yes, I can see just 1 because this loopback interface is directly connected to router 1, and 4, 5 and 3. Here is 3 and 5 and 4. They are directly connected with router 1, so router 2 can yes, can see these networks. So let's go to the router 5 and make it show IP route EIGRP. I should see the same result here. Look at this, the same result, so that's good. Now go to the router 3, last one here. Yes, come on, show IP route EIGRP. Look at this, also the same thing. So that's good. So I make router 1 to receive. Just to go to the router 1, I should also show IP route EIGRP. I should also see router 1 can receive. Yes, router 1, look at this, can see 2, yes, and 4 and 5. Yes, look at this, and 5. Where is 5? 5 here. 6. Yes, here is it. 7. So here's 7. Yes, and can see 6, 192.168.6 and 192.168.7, which is here and here. So that's good. So router 1 can receive the EIGRP routes but advertise just the directly connected. So we did the second one. We made router 1 to make only receive and only advertise the EIGRP directly connected. The third point here, we want to make router 5 to receive EIGRP routes and only advertise the summary route. So that's the third point here. I want to make router 5. Here is router 5. I want to receive also to receive EIGRP routes normally, but advertise just the summary route. So go to the router 5, and now if I did this, go to the COMT router EIGRP1 and EIGRP stub. Here's, look at this, I can do the summary here. If I did this command, I make the router 5 to just advertise the summary. So here's summary. So if you go to the router 1, now you cannot see 5. You should not see this. So look at this, I can't see 5 here. Yes, now 5 disappeared, but I want to advertise the summary route. So I want to make the 5.5.5.0 to make it summary. So I want to go to enter this fast Ethernet 0.1.0 on router 5, interface fast Ethernet 1.0. So now I want to make it IP summary address with EIGRP autonomous system 1 with 5.5.0.0 with 255.255.0.0. So now look at this, I should see this summary route on router 1. So just go to the router 1 and make it show IP route. Yes, look at this, I can see now the summary routing here, just the summary routing, so I can advertise. So that's good. We did the router 5 to receive EIGRP and advertise summary. So if you go to the router 5, just make it show IP route EIGRP. Sorry. Yes, router 5, yes, can receive all routes here. This is null 0, which is mean I make this for the summary. So that's good. Now the point 4, yes, point number 4, I want to make router 1, here is it, I want to make this router 1, yes, to advertise 7.7.7.7 and 4.4.4.4, but don't advertise 6.6.6.6. Look at this. As you remembered here, if you remembered, I made router 1 just to advertise the directly connected. So the other routers here, it cannot see 6, 4, and 7 loopback interfaces. So here I want to make router 1 to advertise router 7, loopback of router 7, and loopback of router 4 to advertise to these routes, to these routers, but router 6 I don't want to advertise. So how can I do this? I can do this by something called leak map. So how can I apply this in router 1? So go to the router 1. Before that, just to make sure, just to go to the router 5 or router 5, yes. Look at this, I can't see 6, I can't see 4 and 7. But after I did the leak map, I should see 4 and 7 and deny 6. So go to the router 1, show access list, yes, show route map, I don't have anything, so that's good. The first thing, I want to make access list just to apply my condition here with access list 1, because I want to advertise 7.7.7.0 with 0.0.0.255. Sorry, permit, we forget permit, so permit here. And also access list 1, also permit 4.4.4.0 with 0.0.0.255. So I want to advertise this network, this loopback interface of router 7, and this loopback interface of router 4 just. So I want to apply this access list and route map. So route map here, I want to name leak map with permit yes. So now match IP address, just I want to make it to match this, so make exit like this. So now I want to apply this route map inside the router EIGRP1 like this. Look at this, I want to make it EIGRP stub. Look at this, if you did this, because I want to make it, I want to make router 1, just remember my condition here, because advertise the directly connected, so don't forget this, don't delete this. If I choose, look at this, if I choose leak map directly here, if I did this like this, if I did this and put it the name of route map like this, yes, it will ignore the second point here, it will ignore this. So I don't want it to do this. I want to advertise only the directly connected, but advertise 7.7.7 and 4.4.4, and don't advertise any loopback interface. So don't do this, so make like this. So apply the second condition. Look at this, I want to advertise just the directly connected, but like this, but you can do this leak map, yes, with this route map. So if I did this like this, if I did this like this, so that's very nice. So now if I go to the router 2 or 5, because we were in 5, so now if I did this show IP or EIGRP, show IP route EIGRP, I should see yes 4 and I see 7, but I can't see 6, so that's good. So router 1 advertise the directly connected, but here is a condition, here is a leak map which advertised router 4 and router 7, so that's good. And also if you go to the router 3, you should see also the same result, show IP route EIGRP, yes, I can see 4, here is it, and also 7, so that's good. So now we are going to the 5th point. I want to make router 2, here is router 2, I want to make it to only receive EIGRP and only advertise the static route. So here is router 2, I want to receive, yes, I want to make it to receive EIGRP routes, but only advertise the static route. So how can I do this? Conf t, here is in router 2, so router EIGRP1, I want to make EIGRP stub to make just to advertise, here's it, look at this, this is static, so static route. So router 2 now will not advertise the loopback 2.2.2.2. So if you go to the router 1 and show IP route EIGRP like this, look at this, I can't see 2.2.2.2, so that's good. Now I want to make here static route like this, IP route 2.0.0.0 with 255 sorry 0.0.0 to the null, sorry, to the null 0 like this. So now if you go show IP route EIGRP, can't see, sorry, not show IP, route just, yes, I have here, this is static. Now it should advertised to the router 1, show IP route EIGRP. Yes, look at this, I can't see it. So can I make ping to the 2.2.2.2? Yes, I can make to this. So that's all thing or everything here in this video. I think this video, it's a light video. Yes, it's a nice video. We applied the EIGRP stub types. We used the receive only for this, and we did this for router 1 just to receive and all advertised directly connected by EIGRP stub connected. And now we made router 5 to receive and only advertised summary route by EIGRP stub summary, and we made router 1 to advertise 7.7.7.7 and 4.4.4.4 by the leak map. I used a leak map with stub connected, and finally I make router 2 to only receive EIGRP and only advertise static route. So that was everything here in this video, and I hope to see you in the next video, inshallah. So bye bye.